stop using filler words like actually and basically. So you think you're sounding polite or smart, but words like actually and basically might be hurting your message more than helping it. Welcome to Tech English Pro. This is the channel where we teach business English to tech professionals. Let's get started. In this video, I'll show you how to stop using filler words and speak more clearly, confidently, and professionally in tech meetings, especially if English isn't your first language. Let me guess. In meetings or while explaining your work, you say things like, actually, I think we should ... or basically the way it works is ... or like we just need to ... Here's the problem. These are filler words, and even though they seem harmless, they make your message weaker, make you sound uncertain, or even make you come across as passive-aggressive, especially in global teams. So why do we use them? It's usually one of these reasons. We're nervous or trying to buy time. We're translating from our native language while speaking, or we think it sounds more casual and friendly, like native speakers. But in professional environments, especially in tech, clear beats casual. You don't need to speak more. You need to speak better. Here's my 3-step method to remove filler words from your English. Step 1. Be aware. Record yourself in a meeting or presentation. Count how many times you say actually, basically, like, you know. Step 2. Replace or remove. Replace filler words with clear phrases, or say nothing at all. Silence is powerful. You don't need to fill every second. Step 3. Structure your thoughts. Think in bullet points, not paragraphs. Start with the main idea and then give detail. This helps you to stay focused and avoids rambling. Let's take a look at better and more professional alternatives. Instead of actually, just start with your point or say, to clarify, ... Instead of basically, use in short, ... or just say the explanation. Instead of like, pause, think, then speak. Instead of you know, ask directly or remove it completely. Here's the filler version. Basically, I think we should maybe use a different database. You know, because it's actually more reliable. The professional version, I recommend using a different database. It offers better reliability and performance. See the difference? The message is the same, but the second version sounds 10 times more confident and professional. Learn from fluent speakers. Watch senior engineers, product leads, or tech speakers on YouTube or at conferences. You'll notice something. They don't speak quickly or use filler words. They speak clearly, they pause, they choose better words, not more words. Now it's your turn. What filler words do you overuse the most? Is it actually, like, you know? Drop it in the comments. and challenge yourself to cut it by 50% this week. You'll be shocked how much more professional you sound. And don't forget to subscribe. The next lesson will help you clarify what someone else said without sounding rude or lost. It's one of the most useful communication skills for developers in global teams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.